Hello Steve Art 89. Well, this is the first of the two Battle Armor figures, of course. Battle Armor He-Man with battle damage. I debated getting this for a while because I just was going to get the original He-Man and Skeletor origins and not get all of them. But I wanted the extra head and I wanted Skeletor's shield, and here we are. So I've already pre-cut this. Let's take the figure out first. And of course he's got little ties to keep him in, which are never going to be able to get undone easily. Okay. I think the thing I like about this most is that he's actually got somewhere to put his sword on the back. I don't like his face. Looks angry. Now weapons. Of course have the half power sword and the axe. And I'm going to put the power sword on the back. Because I hated they never had the thing on the back to hold their power swords like in the cartoon. And I thought this actually went on the sword, but actually apparently goes on his hand like a lightning bolt. And he has a spare hand. And of course the extra head, which is the original He-Man head. Which is basically why I bought him, so I can swap that with the other head on the original He-Man Origins character. And another one, comic stuck down. Oh, there's some instructions. Also, it does go on the sword. I thought it went on his hand. And of course, you can combine it with Skeletor's sword. And removable parts, head, hands, and legs, apparently. The boots come off as well. And the comic Battle Armor Reborn, which both Skeletor and He-Man of course have, and I think Clown Champ had the same one. So now I've got a few doubles.